Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Education of Young Children test? This is test number 5024. Praxis 5024 is a multi-subject exam. This problem set covers the subtopic of childhood development and learning. Let's review some of the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Let's get started. Which of the following is an example of an activity that supports children's emotional development? Playing a competitive game, discussing and identifying emotions, completing a challenging puzzle, or learning to write their names. Let's start at the bottom, learning to write their names. This is more related to literacy and fine motor skills development, not specifically emotional development. So we can cross that out. Completing a challenging puzzle. This activity primarily supports cognitive development through problem solving and reasoning skills, rather than directly focusing on emotional growth. So that is not correct either. Now to playing a competitive game. While this can help with social skills and managing emotions like frustration and excitement, it is not as directly focused on emotional development. So we can cross that out. Discussing and identifying emotions. This activity directly supports emotional development by helping children learn how to recognize, name, and understand their feelings and the feelings of others, which is crucial for emotional intelligence. Therefore, discussing and identifying emotions is the most effective activity listed for directly fostering children's ability to understand and articulate their emotional experiences. What is the primary goal of identifying risk and protective factors in a child's environment? To determine the child's intelligence, to provide the basis for interventions and support, to label and categorize children, or to predict the child's future. Beginning there. While risk and protective factors can provide insights into potential developmental outcomes, the primary purpose is not prediction, but rather to enhance supportive measures that foster positive development. So we can cross that out. To label and categorize children. The goal is not to label or categorize children, but to understand their unique contexts to better support their needs. To determine the child's intelligence. Identifying risk and protective factors focuses on understanding environmental influences on a child's development and well-being, not measuring intelligence. So we can cross that out as well. To provide the basis for interventions and support. By understanding which factors may pose risks or provide protection, caregivers and professionals can design targeted interventions to support the child's development and mitigate potential negative outcomes. Identifying these factors is essential for creating effective, tailored interventions that help children thrive despite potential challenges in their environments. Which of the following strategies would best encourage a child's cognitive development? Giving the child a list of facts to memorize, providing opportunities for the child to explore and ask questions, teaching the child to read before they start school, or limiting the child's playtime to promote academic learning. Beginning here, play is crucial for cognitive development, and limiting playtime can hinder a child's ability to learn and develop essential cognitive skills through exploration and social interaction. So this is not the correct answer. Teaching the child to read before they start school. While early reading can support cognitive development, it is not as broadly effective as exploratory learning in developing various cognitive skills like problem solving and creative thinking. So we can cross that out as well. Memorization. While memorization is part of learning, it does not comprehensively support cognitive development as much as engaging in exploratory and inquiry-based activities, which foster deeper understanding and critical thinking. So we can eliminate that as well. Providing opportunities for the child to explore and ask questions. This approach encourages active learning and critical thinking, which are fundamental to cognitive development. It allows children to engage with their environment, solve problems, and develop reasoning skills. Thus, encouraging a child to explore and ask questions is the most effective strategy for fostering comprehensive cognitive development, as it promotes curiosity, critical thinking, and active learning. I hope I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of childhood development and learning for the Praxis 5024 Education of Young Children exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.